Well, hey guys, we are nearing the end of the semester, and I'd just like to thank you for your participation in the course. I hope that it has provided a strong foundation for you in terms of assessment and assessment strategies and ideas as you continue on in your professional development in education. The final assignment is to create a portfolio of assessment strategies that you've been introduced to in the course. Make sure you take a look at the rubric that's on the resources page because that will certainly guide the work that you're going to do. I know that the rubric says that you need to have a table of contents, an introduction, and assessments, but when you're putting this together, I think the best way to do it is to do the assessments first. So if you go back through the course and look at each week's assignments, you'll see that we've addressed many different assessment strategies throughout the course. We've talked about muddiest papers, the muddiest points, sorry, the minute paper. We've talked about other types of formative assessment, performance assessment, summative assessments, self-assessments. We've talked about rubrics, grading, and most recently learning needs. So examples of assessment in each of those areas need to be in your portfolio. In addition to the assignments that you've already done, which you are certainly welcome to put into the portfolio, I highly encourage you to create new assessments in each of these areas in order to get full credit and earn the highest score that you can on the portfolio. It's not just a recompilation of the assignments you've already turned in, it's those plus other ones that you have found throughout the course, that you've made on your own. So, be looking for those. Once you've gathered all of those assessments in some place, then you'll go back and you'll create a table of contents and you'll write an introduction and make sure that you adhere to the rubric guidelines as you do those two items. Each assessment needs to be identified as to whether it was an assessment that you created, it was an original one, or if it's an assessment that you've taken from someplace else. If you've borrowed it from somewhere else, that's fine to include in the portfolio. Just make sure you include a citation. I don't know if you've noticed, but on every one of the slides that I have presented here, there is a link at the bottom where I found the image. That's a citation. So find a way to cite work that isn't original to you. When you're putting your portfolio together, it can take whatever form you want. It could be a PowerPoint, it could be a Prezi, it could be a Word document. Maybe you've got some other strategy or some other idea about how to put the portfolio together. But it needs to be in some electronic format so that it can be submitted through the assignment page on our course. So that's a brief overview of what the assignment looks like. I know it's due that final week of the course, but if you'd like to turn it in early, as I have time, I'm actually finishing up 3 other courses here at Montana State University, but as I have time, I'll be able to get your assignments graded as well and get that information back to you. As always, if you have any other questions, please message me and let me know. Okay? Again, thanks for your hard work in the course. Talk to you later. Bye.